In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Windows 11 Insider Preview bootable USB. So if you've already downloaded the .iso, then that's perfect because that's where we're going to start off. But if you haven't downloaded the image yet, then I have put a link in the description below to a video of how to download the image file from the Microsoft website. So the first thing you need to do is find your .iso image. As you can see, I have mine here in my downloads folder. So you now need to click on the link that's in the description below, and it will then take you to a website that looks like this. So we now need to download this program, which will then allow us to turn our USB into a bootable install for the Windows 11 Insider Preview. So you need to scroll all the way down. We now need to click on the first link, rufus 3.15, and then go save file. Once it's finished downloading, you then need to run the setup file. You now need to go yes. You will now end up with a window that looks like this. You need to ensure you have your USB selected under device. You then need to click on select button. And you now need to select your Windows 11 Insider Preview .iso image and press open. And you now need to make sure the image option is on standard Windows installation. And we now need to change the partition scheme to MBR. And you need to make sure the target system's on BIOS. You can now give the USB a name if you want, but I'm going to leave it as the default. You then need to ensure file systems on NTFS and the cluster size is on default. You now want to expand the advanced format options, and you now want to select quick format. Once you are happy, we can now go ahead and press start, and then you need to press OK, which will delete all the data that's on the USB stick. So ensure you have got everything off the USB that you need. So I'm now going to go ahead and press OK, and it will begin to create the Windows 11 Insider Preview bootable USB. Once the bootable USB has been completed, you will notice it says ready and that your device name has changed. So there we go, that's how you create a Windows 11 Insider Preview bootable USB. I hope this tutorial has helped you out and you enjoyed it. If it did, click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.